Ready and action.
4, 3,
2, 1.
Let me tell you about CSO, which started 15 years ago.
96 was the year it all began. CSO for juvenile offenders was the plan.
CSO is beyond punishment, you see. Probationers give back to community.
In 96, we only had 10 agencies. There were more to come as we shall see.
Then in 97, we expanded CSO frontiers. There's now CSO for adult offenders. It's a good way to benefit more. That's always what CSO is for.
Punishment, reparation, rehabilitation. Punishment, reparation, rehabilitation. CSO is being enhanced. 15 years of second chance. Synergize, energize, maximize, changing lives. CSO is being enhanced. 15 years of second chance. CSO has done heaps. It will move forward in quantum leaps.
CSO expanded somewhere in 01. Service learning skills training are things to be done.
PSB in 03 was awarded ISO. It included management of CSO.
In the 4 VPOs were added to the team. Additional skills and talents they bring.
VPOs are great additions to the crew. With them, there's so much more we can do. Thank you, thank you.
We love you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks to you.
I extend my thanks to VPOs. You even work on weekends. Oh!
CSO is being enhanced. 15 years of second chance. Synergize, energize, maximize, changing lives. CSO is being enhanced. 15 years of second chance. CSO has done heaps. It will move forward in quantum leaps.
In 06, probationers did CSO in teams.
Opportunity to meet and learn new things.
Give back to community, live your dreams.
Make amends, work as a team.
In 07, adult probationers take control. They decide what CSO placements to go.
This we call Project Share.
For probationers to show they really care.
I'm glad we give probationers a chance.
It's rewarding to see them grow and advance. We did many things in 21-0, like a ComServe Subcom working with VPOs.
Hey, how can we forget Project Reaps?
Collaborations that contributed heaps.
CSR with private companies.
Help probationers work with positivity. Then in 2011, there were 2 new developments.
1. CSO was expanded as a community-based sentencing option.
In lieu of fine and imprisonment.
And 2. For spouses who default maintenance.
They can now perform
CSO is being enhanced. 15 years of second chance. Synergize, energize, maximize, changing lives. CSO is being enhanced. 15 years of second chance. CSO has done heaps. It will move forward in quantum leaps. CSO is being enhanced. 15 years of second chance. Synergize, energize, maximize, changing lives.
Now we have more than 130 CSO agencies. To all our partners,
Thank you for the possibilities.
And cut.
Thank you.